Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Waze and signing in so your settings sync. This saves favorites and recent routes for later. Tap Allow when location permission prompts, because Waze needs continuous GPS to give live updates and ETA. Next, add home and work addresses now. It takes seconds and gives you one-tap routes. Once done, make sure notifications are enabled so you receive traffic alerts. These few steps get you moving immediately, and they prevent delays from missing permissions while driving. You'll type the destination into the search bar and pick from suggested places. Waze then shows several route options. Choose fastest, shortest, or toggle avoid tolls or highways depending on your priorities. Use the live map to preview congestion, reported incidents, and estimated arrival time, because that's how you compare alternatives. Then customize vehicle profile and voice prompts in settings so directions suit you. For example, lower prompt volume for podcasts. Once adjusted, start navigation and keep an eye on live reroutes. You'll follow voice and on-screen lane guidance while driving, and accept reroutes when offered because they often save minutes during changing traffic. Make quick reports of hazards or police sightings to improve route accuracy. These inputs update ETA for everyone. When you arrive, tap N to save the route. If navigation stalls, try toggling location services, force closing and reopening Waze, or clearing the app cache in settings. If that fails, restart the phone. These steps fix most issues fast and get you back on route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.